Welcome to FixLab 360. In this video, we'll show you how to use Microsoft Defender Offline Scan to remove stubborn viruses on Windows, step by step. First, click the Start menu and type Windows Security in the search bar. This is the built-in security app in Windows. Next, click on the Windows Security app that appears in the search results. This will open the main security dashboard. In the Windows Security window, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This section deals with virus scans and protection settings. Scroll down until you see Scan Options, then click on it. This will show you different types of scans you can run. On the Scan Options page, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This scan runs outside of Windows to catch hidden threats. Click the Scan Now button to begin. This tells Windows to prepare for the offline scan. When prompted, click Scan Again to confirm. Your system will now get ready to restart. Your PC will restart and boot into the Windows recovery environment. The scan will run before Windows loads, which helps catch stubborn malware. Wait for the scan to complete. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your system. Once the scan finishes, your computer will restart again and return to Windows as normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to FixLab 360 for more helpful tips and tutorials.